Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Raik Alem, ang dependable daughter ng Makati. And I am Winona Collings, ang ate na pamilya ng Quezon City. It's really the communication skills that I've learned inside the house. Because outside, I really don't talk to a lot of people. It's like going inside and like living every day with 19 people and having to interact with them every day, that really honed my communication skills talaga.
Para sa akin, fighting spirit mo. Hindi siya pwedeng mawala. May moments of weakness ka, pero palagi ka pa rin babalik sa fighting spirit mo na lalaban ka talaga kahit na hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Lalaban tayo. Yun yung gusto kong baunin for the rest of my life.
Breakdown saglit laban.
Breakdown saglit, mag-crash out ka, pero bumalik ka. Laban rin, di ba?